Jeez. SVR.
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Indiana, Washington, and Westmoreland, the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, East Central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Southwestern Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from over North Braddock to over Donora, or along a line from near McKeesport to 9 miles southeast of Gastonville, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroeville, Greensburg, McKeesport, Indiana, Jeanette, Latrobe, Palmer City, West Mifflin, Baldwin, Murraysville, Jefferson Hills, North Versailles, Pleasant Hills, White Oak, Mount Essen, and Clairton. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for portions of southwest and west central Pennsylvania.
Yep. Nasty out there. No wonder they issued SVR.
Weather